Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to price, how much to invest, how to buy it at wholesale, and how to sell it. Let me get ready and let's get to work. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a butterfly like this. I think it's a very good and cute item to put on a card, or when you wrap up your mother's day gift or even a birthday, put it instead of a bow, put a few of these in different places. This is very easy to make. And for this, you can use a cardstock paper, but I have a whole bunch of pages of this thick, it's like a parchment paper, but it's thick. And this is how it comes out. And remember that I put all the items I use in the link in the description box. We're going to use this. It's called party foil. And it comes in different colors, but I really like this one because depending on how you move it, it changes color. You're going to need glue, and this is the one I'm using, but you can test with other glues. This is what it came out. Okay, and scissors just in case you like them. I'm going to be doing mine with the Cricut, so let me settle down and we will get to it. Here we are. This project is very fun and very easy to do, so I already put like a sample here of what we're going to do. So you need to go to your images. I got this image from my images on Cricut, so I just put butterfly, and a whole bunch of different butterflies came up. So just pick the one that you like. I already picked mine. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to duplicate it, and we're going to keep it at 2.5 inches. So we have this one here, and on this one here you're going to click contour, and then you're going to hide it, and this is the bottom part. This is what you're going to do as many as you need. So now what we're going to do is see how this looks. So you're going to go ahead and go into shapes and go square. You're going to unlock it. You're going to go up here and you're going to put 8.5 and go to the next one, to the height, and then put 11 inches, 8.5 by 11. So now you're going to bring this one, put it to the front, and you're going to duplicate this to have 12 of them. Okay, so I'm not going to duplicate all of the 12. I'm just giving you an idea. The reason why I'm doing this is because my parchment paper is 8.5 by 11. So that's why I'm doing this. So you need to do 12, like go ahead and go across here. Then you're going to remove the square and you're going to delete it. Now when you have your 12 butterflies here, you're going to go ahead and grab them all, and you're going to go to weld right here, weld them. So those are ready, and this one is ready. You just need to change the color. For instance, these ones here I'm going to do with the parchment paper, which is almost like a white. So we're going to go ahead and print that. Now we are going to print them separate, and I'm going to tell you why in a second. So for now we're going to hide this one, and we're only going to leave this one here. So now we go to make it, and here they are. Here's all your, so they are ready to print. You go to continue and go to custom. You're going to press custom, and mine is already there. So then you're going to go browse all, and you're going to go to cardstock heavy right here. Okay, and you're going to go done. Here what I did, because mine is a little thick, I went to more, and it all depends by the thickness of your paper. You can go more, default, or less. And once you have all that set up, you can go ahead and load your paper and do your cutting. Then you're going to hide this one and bring this one up. So now we're going to print this one here. So we're going to go make. So you're going to go here and you're going to go up 12 and go apply, and there they are. Okay, then you go ahead and upload your foil paper, and you go ahead and print. You go continue. I tried the setting for this party foil, and it just didn't do the cutting properly. It just didn't do much. I had to throw away one whole 12 by 12. And then I started playing with it, and I found out that glitter cardstock, that's what worked really well with what I used. So you go glitter cardstock, done. And the first cut I did, because I thought I needed to go more, I did more, and the blade was pulling, like the little pieces were getting stuck into the blade, and it made a mess. So what I did is I went less, and that was perfect. So you're going to go less. You're going to upload your mat with your party foil, and then you're going to cut. We are back. I have my 2 butterflies ready. So now I'm just only going to go ahead and grab a little bit of glue and apply it like right in the middle, just a little bit. And we're going to size it nicely there, put it down, just like that. So there it is. You need to let it dry, and then you can move it around as you want to make it look like this. So I hope you enjoy this video, you guys. I really enjoyed teaching you this project, and for now, thank you so much for watching my videos. May the Lord bless you today and every day, and until next time, thank you.